So I'm having to change my radiator because it's broken. It's got a hole in it and it's that time. It's rather cold, but there we go. So I've taken the cap off because that needs to go on the new radiator because it doesn't come with the cap. My new radiator is there. I'm taking the shroud off, which is 4 screws, which is 10mm. There at the bottom there, if you guys can see there, and the same at the other side. I've slid the washer bottle off and just plopped it down in the bottom. So let me get the shroud off and I'll be back. Okay, I've taken the shroud off and I've disconnected the hoses. One's there and they just clip. Just pull them together and that releases them. I've done the bottom hose too, which is here, and just left that in the engine bay. I've got a tub underneath collecting the coolant, what's left in the radiator. So now I am going to take the screws off the radiator, which is 4, and they seem to have, may only be 2. I'm taking these off next. These hold the radiator in and the radiator should just pop out. Okay, so I've released these, as you can see, so flippy, and this should just pull out like so, and there's only the two, one at the top on either side. So I'm just going to pull this out. Okay, so I sat the radiator, the new radiator in. It's a piece of cake. It's just 2 10mm nuts at the top, and it's got some rubbers there. It sits in the frame at the bottom. So now I'm going to connect all the hoses back up, which is a piece of cake, and you're just reversing what you've already done. Real easy. Okay, so I've got everything put back. I'm running it, just check, make sure there's no leaks, and it seems to be everything is good, so we are done. So this has literally taken me 30 minutes, so it's a piece of cake. So to recap, 10mm socket and some grips just to get these off on the top and bottom holes. Take your bits off, drain your fluid, whip the radiator out, put the new one in, connect them back up, and remember to top up your fluids with new coolant, and you are good to go. Real easy, simple to do. Thanks for watching.